Hi, my name is Kelvin Kangede Gitao, and I am TNA Education Ambassador in Kenya. And we just concluded TNA Education Workshop here in Machakos Institute of Technology, where we're introducing Arduino programming to the teachers so that they can pass on the knowledge and skills to their students.
My name is Peter Mwangi Macharia from Machakos Institute of Technology. We have had Arduino training from electronics and other equipment. We have learned quite a lot from programming to making use of Arduino in solving real-world problems and applications. Some of the challenges we have encountered is inadequate time because we have been busy with other duties along the way. A large number of people and students who are interested to join us. So I really appreciate and thanks for coming. We look forward to training and doing more.
The training has been amazing. The teachers have been cooperative. Thank you.